Hello everyone. It's a magical day for all the Yellowstone fans out there. It's been only a few days since we mentioned on this channel that when it comes to Yellowstone universe, we as the fans should always be alert to the breaking news. Except for the Marvel Cinematic Universe, we don't think there is yet another universe like Yellowstone that manages to come up with a new thing every other day. The universe often gets updated with either new plots, new cast members, new TV shows, and, in this specific case, new titles. As you all know, Yellowstone refused to restrict itself to a single show. Instead, it decided to meet the fans' demands and expand into multiple shows. To be honest, we believe this was the best decision that the show creators have taken because the Yellowstone TV series had a lot of material that was waiting to be explored. Now, through multiple TV series, we have the chance to be informed more about the universe and get a true understanding of the Yellowstone experience. One of those shows was 1883, a groundbreaking TV series taking place just before the turn of the century and a few years after the American Civil War. The series was focusing on the journey of the Duttons from the Tennessee to Montana. However, in reality, it was trying to provide us with a glimpse of life in the 19th century. Through the Duttons' experience, we got to see what challenges those people were facing, how the societal differences were established, and what kind of a family legacy the Duttons carry through generations. It was a total blessing that received both audience and critical appreciation and proved that the Yellowstone universe has a lot to offer. Naturally, once it had come to an end, people got excited about the second season of the series immediately. Unfortunately, though, it soon revealed that the series was designed as a miniseries and thus will not get a second season. Instead, it will get a follow-up TV series